Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I make my lightening cream. The first item you need is the carrots. Carrots contains vitamin C, which helps to heal the skin, and also it contains the whitening agent, which is the beta carotene, and also which helps to reduce the skin from inflammation. So you have to grate your carrot in bits, and make sure you grate it in a way it can get into the jar. Then I'm doing the cold press extraction, so I'm going to pour it into this jar, and make sure the jar you're using is airtight. If it is not airtight, it's going to create a mess, so make sure it's airtight. Next on the list is the oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. It depends on whatever you want to use. And make sure you pour enough oil into the carrot and mix it very well for it to touch every part of it. Make sure the jar is properly closed in order not to make the oil spill. And here we go. My pot is ready, and I've put the jar in the pot waiting for it to boil. It is ready, and I'm going to take it out and allow it to cool for like 10 to 20 minutes. It is now cooled down, and I'm going to separate the oil from the chaff. Turmeric contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory components, which helps to restore natural glow of the skin and also treat uneven skin tone, and remove sun tan from the skin. So we are going to be taking half a teaspoon for this mixture, and make sure you mix it properly. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, B, C, D, and E, and also minerals, which is called magnesium and potassium. It also reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation on the skin, which is also a lightening agent. So I used 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel. I poured it into the carrot oil, and I used the mixer to mix it because spoon will not mix it. It was a bit messy, but the result was fantastic. My carrot body mask is ready. I apply once in a week and 30 minutes before I have my shower. I don't leave it on because of the turmeric in it. It's going to stain, so I advise you do it the same way. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share, like, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.